derivative product in the quotient now. Quotient of function so let's say f of x in the g of x look in the mirror, and then f of x times g of x just derivative makan argachuudhaaf jalqaba maal goona, f of x derivative goona times g of x, then plus g of x derivative goona, then times f of x normal jechuudha. For example x what sin x jennu here function lama kunin just f of x jennu kun maalini g of x jennu maafi kun trigonometric function dha, kun immoo maalini power function dha, power 3 dha. Then yommuu derivative isa barbaadu maalini f derivative kana derivative goona x derivative goona times what sin x, then plus what sin x derivative plus what times what x, then x derivative become what 1 sin x theta, then plus what is sin derivative of sin x cos x, then times x sin x plus x cos x db kennita jechuudha, or just x times e raised to x, kunis function lama product dha waliin baay'atee ta'e power function here exponential function. So yommuu derivative isa barbaadu jalqaba maalinin x derivative goona, x derivative times what times e raised to x plus what derivative of e raised to x times what times x, here x become what x become 1 times e raised to x plus e raised to x yommuu derivative goona matama isaatiif e raised to x plus what times x, here become e raised to x plus x e raised to x ta'a. Answering keenya kanaa jechuudha. Or x ln x jennu here what function kun maalini power function dha, kun maalini logarithm function dha, natural logarithm function. So yommuu derivative kun maal ta'a just x derivative function jalqaba derivative goona times function lamaffaa ln x, then function lamaffaa amma derivative goona ln x derivative times what x. So this is a power function kun maal ta'a tokko times ln x dha plus then kun immoo yommuu derivative kun maal ta'a 1 over x times what here x tana, then ln x plus what x over x tokko taate jechuudha. Here is maalini derivative hima kanaati jechuudha. Let's say kabira immoo x times x times 2 raised to x, here maalini inni kun just power function dha, kun immoo exponential function dha. Then yommuu deriveetii kana x deriveetii times 2 raised to x plus what plus 2 raised to x derivative times what times x. So this become what tokko ta'a kunin tokko baay'isuu 2 raised to x 2 raised to x plus derivative kanan 2 raised to x ln 2 times what here x ta'a jechuudha. So kanaafu 2 raised to x times what plus x 2 raised to 2x ln 2 it is our answer jechuudha. Derivative kana barbaaduudhaaf here 3 jira kun immoo exponential dha. So kanaafuu jalqaba maal goona isa kana isa jalqaba derivative goona cos of x derivative times what a raised to x plus what a raised to x derivative then times cos of x derivative of cos x is minus sin x times a raised to x then plus a raised to x derivative yommuu goonu a raised to x times what cos x kun maal jennaan deebii kenna derivative kanaati jechuudha. So inni kun product ta'eera jalqaba kana derivative goona plus here a raised to x derivative times 2 raised to x plus what 2 raised to x derivative times what a raised to x derivative yoo goonu maal ta'a a raised to x ta'a. So times what times 2 raised to x plus here kana derivative yoo goonu 2 raised to x what ln 2 a raised to x dha. Kan immoo arrange gochuu dandeenya just a raised to x times 2 raised to x into 1 plus what ln 2 jechuudha. I just function lama sin x jalqaba derivative goona ittaanee plus kana goonu sin x derivative times 3x square plus 7x plus 5 then plus what here kana derivative goona 3x square plus 7x plus 5 derivative times what times sin x. So alta inni kun cos x ta'a times what 3x square plus 7x plus 5 then plus what kun immoo ka keessaa inni keessa 6x plus 7 into what sin x ta'a jechuudha. Here kanaafuu deebiin keenya isa kana ta'a jechuudha. Here eenyu kennameera sorry here een kennama malinee example kennameeratti f of x is equals to x sin x. So kana jalqaba derivative goona x derivative sin x plus what plus sin x derivative times x here x in 1 ta'a then sin x qofta plus kun immoo cos x ta'a times x. Already we have done it. So kanaafuu inni b immoo f of x is equals to x square cos x dha. So kana derivative kun jalqaba x square derivative times cos x plus cos x derivative times x square. So kanaafuu kun yommuu darbite kun 2x cos x, kan ammoo yommuu darbite kun sin x times x square dha. Answeriin keenya kana jechuudha. Kan biraa immoo c irratti kan kenname f of x is equals to what? X square minus 5x plus 1 times e raised to x. So kana yommuu darbite kun just x square minus 5x plus 1 derivative times e raised to x plus e raised to x derivative times x square minus 5x plus 1. So partiin kun maal ta'a? 2x minus 5 times e raised to x. E raised to x derivative kun e raised to x ta'a. Then times x square minus 5x plus 1. This is our final answer. And D, just f of x is given by root x log 2x. So kanaafuu root x derivative times log of x base 2 plus log of x base 2 derivative times root x. So here kana yommuu derivative kun 1 over 2 root x times log of x base 2 plus 1 kana immoo derivative kun 1 over x ln 2 times what? Root x dha. So kanaafuu log of x base 2 over root 2 root x plus root x over x ln 2 our final answer jechuudha. So kanaafuu warri viidiyoo kana jaalattan share, subscribe and like gochuun dagatinaa.